Hey guys, Max from Mango Fit Outs here with our latest fit out on this MAN TGE 4x4. So without further ado, let me give you a quick tour.
I'm Nate Murphy and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system and you'll be able to access the community all building their own vans at the same time.
So coming in, we've gone for soft curves on all the furniture. The client for this van has a dog and we didn't want sharp corners where the dog could bash in or damage themselves. We also thought it gave a really nice aesthetic. We've gone for a large seat at the front of the van with shoe storage under the end of it. And we've also got a swivelly table so she can sit and do her work, which I'll show you in a sec. The client also requested to have access through the front without blocking out any of the light. So we've gone for these rattan doors, which open up as so, to allow her to get into the front if she wants to. As well as this, we have an overhead storage cupboard with light. We also have an oak inset shelving unit, which is backlit to allow her to make the place feel a bit more homely. Under the seat, we have a storage compartment here. For bigger items, we then have a sink with hot and cold water, with pump switch. On the end of this kitchen unit, we have a 240 off-grid socket, USB and our switches, as well as our diesel heater. We also have our large domestic fridge. On this side we have our storage for our induction hob, cutlery dividers, 3 more drawers under there, storage for our swivelly table in there, which mounts onto there, which then allows this to become a functional seating area. We have our Serbo GX, which is showing us exactly what's going on. We have our oak upstands, our marble worktops with rounded ends, rounding end panel to match, as well as some sun-inspired rattan divides to allow light into the bed area. The final request from our client was something in the living area to allow her dog to get from the floor to the bed. She's got a Labrador and she said that she felt like she wouldn't be able to lift it up by herself, so we custom made a ramp that comes from the bed down to the sofa, and that hooks in there like that. So that should allow the dog to go from the floor to the sofa and up into the bed. So in the back of the van, we have a sleeping area for the dog, our fresh water tank, our hot water heater, our water system, and also the electrical heart that runs this van. We also have a 3-meter Fiamma awning mounted on the side, as well as a roof deck up top. On this side of the van, we have our water system, which consists of a hot and cold shower, which can mount on the back door. This also has LED backlighting. You probably can't see that well in this light. So again, this is hot and cold, and using this suction cup can be mounted anywhere on the van. We have an extra storage compartment up here for wash bags, towels and all that kind of stuff. Moving through the garage, we have a light in the top there to allow you to see what you're doing in the winter. We have our Propex water heater under here, and our awning pole and our extendable telescopic ladder to get on the roof. What you can't see behind here is a 60-litre fresh water tank and a water pump. So here we have our Victron Multi Plus, which will allow us to produce 3000 watts off-grid, as well as acting as an aid to charge our batteries when plugged in at our campsite. So this is more than enough power to power our Propex water heater, as well as our induction hob, as we spoke about earlier, and any other devices that she might want to run on 240. Moving through into the garage area, behind the Multi Plus, we have our electrical area, which is lit by a blue downlight and behind a perspex screen. This is a full Victron system with a 460 amp hour lithium Roma battery. It has a 500 watts of solar, as well as an Orion smart charger and everything else that the client needs to be off-grid. So here we have our telescopic ladder, which is going to allow us to get onto the roof. So as you can see, our telescopic ladder is now in place. So follow me, we'll go up onto the roof then. This is the roof rack. We've got 500 watts of solar and then a composite deck that we built around the other fixtures on the roof. The idea of this is to allow the client to come up here and clean her panels
You may have noticed that you can buy our ebook. Our ebook shows you how to build a van conversion. It has 190 pages of text, diagram, and images showing you various options of various systems. It also comes with 25 videos that show you hands-on how to do many parts of building a van. Also, we have a course. The course is really in-depth. It shows you everything from how to use basic tools all the way through to doing your gas, your water, and your electric installation. Not only that, but within the course, we support you hands-on in making your electrical specification. And you get to join a community of like-minded van builders who are building their vans at exactly the same time. Follow the links to find out more, and thanks for watching.